Good morning to all my dear students. Today again I am going to teach you GK of class 5. So kindly sit along with your book. Today we have to begin with lesson number 11, which is on page number 26, and the name of the chapter is International Awards. Now, what is this International Awards? An award is a certificate of excellence which is given to an individual or a group of people. What is this? This is an award is a certificate of excellence which is given to an individual or a group of people. Why they give this award? To identify and recognize excellence in a particular field. Often it is given in the form of a title, certificate, medal, or a trophy. Sometimes you also get excellence award in school in the form of certificate, medal, or a trophy. It may sometimes carry a monetary prize, prizes like 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, so on. Usually, awards are given by an organization or a government body. Awards are given by an organization or a government body. You and I can't give excellence award to anybody, though these awards are given by organization or a government body. Now here is one question for you. Write the names of the awards with the help of the clues given. Here help box is there. With the help of this help box, you have to fill all these blanks. Now, the first question is, it is named after the inventor of dynamite. It was first presented in 1901. There are 6 categories: physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, and economics. Now come to the next one. Now the next award is, it is the most famous of all film awards. It was first presented in 1929. Walt Disney has won the most, a total of 20. Next is, this is a literary prize set up in 1968 and is awarded each year for the best original novel written in English published in the UK. This is a prestigious music award presented since 1959. Stevie Wonder won 22 awards for popular music. It is an annual award named after a former Philippine president. It is given to Asian individuals for excellence in different fields. This is the picture of that award. Now come to the next one. It is an award given for a range of achievements in journalism, writing, and music. It is named after an American publisher and began in 1917. This is the picture of that award. Now come to the next one. This award is given to individuals and institutions for their contributions towards social, economic, and political revolution through non-violence and Gandhian philosophy. The award carries rupees 10 million in cash. This is your help box. With the help of it, you have to fill all those blanks. Now, did you know? Did you know many Indians have won prestigious international awards like the Oscar, Grammy, and Pulitzer Prize? Now, come to the next chapter, chapter number 12, which is on page number 28. And the name of the chapter is Famous Parliaments of the World. Now, what is parliament? Parliament refers to a country's law making body. The word parliament comes from the French word parlement, which means to speak or discuss. Hence, parliament is a meeting where a group of people discuss matters related to laws and issues of state. Every country has its own parliament. Now, again, question for you. Choose the names of the parliament from the help of the help box. Here, help box is already given for you all. With the help of it, you all have to fill all these blanks. Now, first one. The Parliament of India is called. The Parliament of the USA is called. The Parliament of Japan is called. The Parliament of Germany is called. The Parliament of Australia is called. The Parliament of China is called. The Parliament of Russia is called. The Parliament of Nepal is called. The Parliament of France is called. The Parliament of Iran is called dash. You have to do it by your own. My dear students, you have to complete page number 30 and page number 31 also by your own. Thank you. Have a good day.